Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Truncated BandPass filter. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Truncated BandPass filter. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 291 indicators. And out of those 291 indicators, 114 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 114 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is Ehlers Truncated BandPass filter. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. So this indicator obviously was created by John Ehlers, and John Ehlers also has a BandPass filter, which I believe we have tested, maybe even a couple different versions of it. But this particular one is supposedly a better version of Ehlers BandPass filter. And so again, you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Let me go in and actually bump up some of the values in this a little bit here. Don't have to change the colors, but I did anyway. All right, and so there you go. You can see it a little bit better there on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we're looking for is when we get the red coloration in the BandPass filter line, that is a signal to go short. When we get the green coloration, that is a signal to go long. And you can see here on top in the bars that actually, like most of the indicators created by Cheat Country, who created this particular indicator, it colors the bars as well. And so I think we'll go in and also change the color of the bars. Normally I turn this off, but on some indicators, like this particular one, it can be a little bit difficult spotting the exact spot where it may have flipped from one color to another. And so recently I've been leaving the bar coloration on. Just kind of makes it a tad bit easier to spot those areas. So when it goes red, we'll go short. When it goes green, we'll go long. Pretty simple setup. So let's go ahead and get on with the process here. See what we can get out of it. All right, looks like we pop up for a long right there on that one. And unfortunately, that one turns around on us rather quickly and stops us out. We then get another long there. Let me back up here because I missed a short. Don't know why. I'm trying to overlook an entire move there. All right, so picked up a short right there. Ad Ant's gonna yell at me if I don't get this right. All right, so we pick up a short right here, and that one worked out for us rather well. Then we pick up a long over here. That one gets us stopped out pretty quick, and a short almost immediately. Once again, kind of flip-flopped almost immediately on us, stopping us out. Then we pick up a long there for just a moment, and this is kind of where bar coloration can be a challenge. All right, so this was actually a red candle right here, so we would measure from the bottom and then up to there. So we did get to the 90 pips. It was really close before it made a quick spike downward, but we did get there. And on this side, we pick up a short, but pretty much immediately we get a spike right back up right here. That one does get us to take profit there, and so that would have been a winning trade there. So let's go ahead and keep moving on with it here. Then we pick up a short over here. That one did really decent. Picked up a long right there, but dropped out on us pretty quick. Actually looks like it may have, yeah, went from 1 week to another, and so it actually gapped down here. That would have stopped us out, unfortunately. Then we get a short right there. That one works out for us. We'll continue on. We get a long, let's see, right there. Almost immediately, though, it flips short. Right there. And almost immediately flips back to long on that one. And then within 1 bar, back to short. Now that one did get us to take profit once we switched back to the short side there. Continue on with it here. Picked up a long right there. That one stopped out with a short pretty quick, and that long there, short stopped out by another long, and then that long stopped out with a short there. Continue on with it here. Pick up another long right there. Looks like the timing of this just isn't going to work out for us. Still don't know yet. It could be making the 60%. I haven't specifically been counting them out, but looks like we get a lot of pinball action going on. So we pick up a long right here. And then it flips short there. Back to a long over here. That one did get us to take profit. Then to a short for just a moment. That right there would have stopped out there. Then we play the flip-flop game here. for quite a few more. Short right there. Don't think that got us to take profit. Nope. It did not. Pick up a long over here. Spike down with this big green candle right there. That would have unfortunately stopped us out. And that is the end of the year right there. Alright, let's get this zoomed in here. Then we'll count them out and see what we got out of it. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we have 30 trading signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 winning trades. So that is definitely not going to meet the 60% criteria. This thing was, interesting to say the least. Really chopping our, chopping these signals in and out, caused a lot of unnecessary stops. And so, yeah, this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.